Hello, hello, guys. Welcome back. Vamos corrigir os exercícios, ver quanto que vocês acertaram, se erraram alguma coisa. Vamos lá. Vamos começar a correção. Então, what lesson is this? All right, this is lesson 34A, exercises. Perfect. Answers. Olha só, o exercise está pedindo o quê? The answers. Então, ele está dando the questions. All right. When was Bob's father at home with his parents? He was at home last Saturday. Se você começou com last Saturday, também tá certo. Last Saturday, he was at home with his parents. Né? Também tá certo. All right. Where was Bob last weekend? He was at the beach. Bob was at the beach. Também tá certo, lógico, né? Where was Kathy yesterday? Yesterday, she was at the cattle with a friend of hers. Se você colocou yesterday no final, também tá certo. She was at the cattle with a friend of hers yesterday. Ou então, Kathy was at the cattle with a friend of hers yesterday. Or yesterday, Kathy was at the cattle with a friend of hers. Perfect. Tudo tá correto. Okay? Was Kathy with a friend of hers? Yes, she was. Was Kathy with a friend of John's? No, she wasn't. Was Kathy with a friend of hers? Yes, she was. Perfect. Where was Kathy yesterday? Yesterday, she was at the cattle with a friend of hers. Perfect. All right. D. When was Kathy at Sizzler with John? Perfect. She was at Sizzler with him or with John on Wednesday last week. Perfect. Perfect. How many months ago was Bob's birthday? His birthday was 2 months ago. All right. Attention. Today is March. What month was it 2 months ago? 2 months ago. Today is March. 2 months ago was January. March, February, January, 2 months ago, right? All right, perfect. What day of the week was Bob's birthday? It was a Wednesday. All right, perfect. Was Bob's birthday a Saturday? No, it wasn't. What day of the week was Bob's birthday? It was a Wednesday. Perfect, perfect. Where was Bob last Saturday? Last Saturday, Bob was at school in the morning. Ele deixou claro que é in the morning, right? Was Bob at school in the afternoon? No, he wasn't. Was Bob at school in the evening? No, he wasn't. When was Bob at school? He was at school in the morning. He was at school in the morning last Saturday. Or he was at school last Saturday in the morning. Or he was at school last Saturday morning. Também tá certo. All right? Last Saturday morning. All right. Agora, exercise number 2. Questions. O exercise está pedindo questions. Então, ele está dando the answers. All right. Bob's father was at home 2 days ago. Where was Bob's father 2 days ago? Aqui nós temos, olha, eu estou dando aqui 3 opções. Qualquer uma das 3 que vocês fizeram está correta. Where was Bob's father 2 days ago? He was at home. When was Bob's father at home? Bob's father was at home 2 days ago. When? Lembra do exercício que nós fizemos, né? De who, where, when. Who was at home 2 days ago? Bob's father was at home 2 days ago. Lembram? É isso aí. Desta frase, a gente pode fazer várias perguntas. Inclusive, aqui pode colocar também uma pergunta de opção. Ó, Bob's father was at home 2 days ago. Was Bob's father at home 2 days ago or 3 days ago? Bob's father was at home 2 days ago. Também você pode ter perguntado, was Bob's father at home or at work 2 days ago? Bob's father was at home 2 days ago. Né? Ou então, também você pode ter feito uma pergunta de opção. Was Bob's father or Bob's mother at home 2 days ago? Bob's father was at home 2 days ago, tá? Todas essas perguntas são válidas, alright? No, Bob was not at school last weekend. Aqui é uma pergunta fechada, né? Porque a resposta é no. Então, was Bob at school last weekend? No. Bob was not at school last weekend. All right. She was at the cattle with a friend of hers. Where was Kathy yesterday? Aqui você pode ter colocado qualquer tempo, né? Qualquer objeto de tempo. Yesterday, last week, this morning, last month, tudo isso está certo, né? Where was Kathy? She was at the cattle with a friend of hers. Tudo bem, porque isso aqui estava na lição. Se você colocou aqui na pergunta Liza, Tina, Beth, tudo também está certo. Alright? Ok? Perfect. Então, vamos continuar aqui ainda um pouco mais de exercise number 2. Bob's birthday was on November 9th. When was Bob's birthday? When? Bob's birthday was on November 9th. Também você pode ter perguntado, whose birthday was on November 9th? Whose? De quem? Whose birthday was on November 9th? Bob's birthday was on November 9th. Hã? Também tá certo. All right. E it was a Wednesday. Aqui também você pode ter perguntado, olha, Bob's birthday. Então a gente pode perguntar um what, né? What was on November 9th? quê? O quê? Bob's birthday was on November 9th. Também tá certo. All right? It was a Wednesday. What day of the week was it? It was a Wednesday. Você pode ter perguntado, feito uma pergunta de escolha, né? Was it Wednesday? Was it a Wednesday or a Monday? It was a Wednesday. Também está correto. All right? Correct. No, there were not many people there. Aqui a pergunta é fechada, né? Porque a resposta é no. Were there many people there? No, there were not many people there. Ou então, lógico, no, there weren't many people there, né? All right? There wasn't anybody at school because yesterday was Sunday. How many people were there at school yesterday? How many people were there at school yesterday? There wasn't anybody at school because yesterday was Sunday. O que você pode ter perguntado também aqui, ó? There wasn't anybody. Mas aqui a resposta está pedindo você pode ter perguntado com why. Why wasn't there anybody at school? Because there wasn't anybody at school because yesterday was Sunday. Você pode ter colocado yesterday na pergunta também. Why wasn't there anybody at school yesterday? There wasn't anybody at school yesterday because yesterday was Sunday. Tá? All right? Perfect. Então, exercise number 3. Verb to be from present to past. Então, você vai reescrever a frase, né? Saindo do presente para o passado. From present to past. My family is not at home now. My family was not at home yesterday. Ó, essa foi uma pegadinha para ver se vocês estavam prestando atenção. Eu não posso falar my family was not at home now, porque now é agora e o verbo aqui está falando do passado. Então tinha que trocar o now pelo yesterday. Aqui, se você trocou, em vez de yesterday, colocou last week, last Monday, tudo bem. Qualquer passado aqui vale. Alright? Peter is at the soccer game today. Ó, Peter was at the soccer game yesterday. Tá? Essa daqui é que vem direto, né? Today, yesterday. Aqui no now, você pode ter colocado qualquer outra expressão de passado. Alright? We are at school this morning. We were at school this morning. Aqui nós podemos manter o this morning, porque nós podemos estar falando durante a tarde. Então, this morning foi passado já, né? Ok? Is there a baseball game tonight? Was there a baseball game last night? Ah, viu? Que a gente praticou tonight e o last night. Was there a baseball game last night? There is somebody at the beach this week. There was somebody at the beach this week. Or, né, there was somebody this week. Nós podemos estar na sexta-feira, qualquer dia da semana antes, foi passado, right? Se você colocou last week, também tá certo. Melhor ainda, right? There are classes in July this year. There were classes in July this year. Or last year. Last year é melhor, que aí mostra bem o passado. Alright? Mas eu mantenho this year para mostrar que pode ter o passado no mesmo ano. É o que ficou para trás dentro do ano já é passado. Alright? Perfect. Então, vamos lá. Esse exercício, essa lição ficou com pouco exercício, né? Molezinha. Exercise number 4. Sentences. Word order. Vamos colocar essas palavras em ordem. Home, last, my, at, Saturday, father, his, with, parents, was. My father was at home with his parents last Saturday. Aqui você pode ter invertido. My parents were at home. Aí não dá. Porque aí, olha, my parents were at home with his father. Não dá. Porque você não vai poder falar o pai dos meus pais. Não dá. Seria o pai do meu pai ou o pai da minha mãe. Então, não tem como inverter aqui. Você pode ter colocado last Saturday primeiro. Tudo bem. Last Saturday, my father was at home with his parents. Ok? Months, ninth, to birthday ago, my on was November. My birthday was 2 months ago on November 9th. Essa foi molezinha, tava na lição essa frase certinha, né? My birthday was 2 months ago on November 9th. Você pode ter colocado também o 2 months ago depois do November 9th. Também tá certo. My birthday was on November 9th, 2 months ago. Também não tem problema, ok? Weekday, it, what, the, was, question mark, of. What day of the week was it? Aqui não dá para fazer de outra sequência, né? What day of the week was it? It was a Monday. It was a Wednesday. It was a Friday. It was a Saturday. All right? Last school at you Saturday were question mark. Were you at school last Saturday? Se você começou com last Saturday, também tá certo, tá? Mas fica mais legal fazer a estrutura dessa forma, deixando o verb to be no início, tá? Porque ele está começando a pergunta, então é melhor deixar ele no início, ok? Alright? Correct. School ago, question mark, were, to, at, they, days, weren't, they. Vocês percebem bem a diferença do som aqui, né? They, olha a língua, they, day. Aqui, ó, tá vendo? Se não botar a língua, o they vira day, tá? Eles vira dia. Tá? Então, they, days. No caso aqui está no plural, right? Então, they were at school 2 days ago, weren't they? What is this? This is question tag. Perfect. They were at school 2 days ago, weren't they? Traz a negativa para a primeira frase. Como é que fica? They weren't at school 2 days ago, were they? Perfect. They weren't, were they? They were, weren't they? All right. Anybody? Sunday, there, at, wasn't, school, last, question mark, right. What is this? This is a question tag too, tá? Olha aqui, é uma question tag. Uma question tag. Apesar de eu não estar repetindo o verbo, né? Aqui é uma outra forma, mas eu só vou usar o right quando eu tiver certeza da resposta, né? There wasn't anybody at school last Sunday, right? Eu sabia que não tinha ninguém, porque era Sunday, não tinha ninguém. Então eu uso um right, mas geralmente vem com o verbo no contrário da frase principal, right? Então, there wasn't anybody at school last Sunday, right? Você pode ter começado com last Sunday, também tá certo. Last Sunday, there wasn't anybody at school, right? Ok? As duas formas estão corretas. Perfect. Acho que foi facinho, não foi? Com certeza. Ó, não foi? Question tag. Foi facinho, não foi? Foi. Se ficou alguma dúvida, não tem problema. Assiste de novo, refaz os exercícios. Onde você errou, apaga, né? Apaga no computador e depois faz de novo. E volta para a gente corrigir. Assiste de novo a correção, você vai ver que vai ficar cada vez mais fácil. Alright? Então, capricha aí e depois volta que vamos começar a nova unidade. See you later, alligator!